Hey, welcome back, fellow crypto evolvers. And I can't start this video without, showing a huge amount of appreciation and gratitude for the 59 subscribers that the channel currently has. The many views, the many comments, the many likes that the video, that at least the first video has received, that I'm hoping the second one does too. But you guys have been great, and I didn't imagine that the word was going to spread out so fast. But then again, I guess you could say it's serendipity, but the time just also worked really well with Shiba pumping, stalling for a little bit, and then immediately Dogelon Mars just absolutely crushing the market right now. It's absolutely unbelievable. I think we are past all-time highs right now, guys. So we absolutely, everybody holding Elon right now, you should be ecstatic and absolutely hopeful for what the future is to come, because guys, this is only the bottom. This is only the bottom. The guys that I talk to and the sources that I'm tapped into, they say that some of these prices will never be seen again. So the people that bought at the bottom, people like me, people like you, guys, we are holding the absolute floor that this coin will see, and that is something excited to be about. So for this community, for everyone watching, thank you for the support. I am very excited that you guys are joining this journey along with me. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, most recent, up 91% for the day. Market cap sitting at 1.4 billion. Guys, I said it from the very beginning. 2 to 3 billion is a very, very conservative price target. And I think we're going to smash 2 billion. 3 billion is up next in just a couple of weeks. And truthfully, guys, 30 to 50 billion market cap is what I see. I said it. 30 to 50 billion market cap is what I see. And I think that's also undercutting it, because this is not just a meme coin, guys, and I'm going to get into that in just a few seconds. But real quick, 1.4 billion market cap, up 146% in volume over the last 24 months, 916 million. Jesus. Just a couple of days ago, Dogelon Mars had about 81,000 holders, currently sitting at 89,258. And I want to bring you guys to CoinGecko, because I love how they always break it down into time frames, right? So if you've been holding this coin for the last 30 plus days, I've been holding it since May, you're up 4,638%. That is something to be very excited about, guys, because it's just the beginning. It's just the beginning. And this is something that's been talked about, right? I've done a lot of research for you guys. I've gone through a lot of forums for you guys. I've gone through a lot of conversations for you guys, because I want to simplify it and bring you the things that stand out to me, at least. And one of the things that did, because as you know, we need to buy the rumor and sell the news. And I came across this right over here. Rumor has it Dogelon will be listed with Shiba on Robinhood. I've been hearing around that Robinhood will be listing a few new crypto coins along with their crypto wallet. Obviously, Shiba will be one, and it's rumored that Dogelon is the second one. The third, I'm not sure, maybe Floki or something. Now, a very wise and a very witty crypto investor asked, share rumor sources, please. Source? Trust me, bro. So I guess we're trusting Cryocom that one of the cryptos that Robinhood is considering on listing is Dogelon Mars along with Shiba. The third one, we don't know. But the next news that I wanted to share with you guys is Crypto.com. Now, everybody knows that it's already been listed. We could buy it, and it's very simple, very similar to Coinbase, really. You go on there, you open up an account, you set up your debit card, and then you go ahead and you search up Dogelon Mars, you make a purchase, and bam, you are, my son, making generational wealth. So they came out with a statement, and it's very interesting what they said, because This is crypto.com, guys. This is a big exchange standing behind this coin, and this is what's now making the differentiator in between Dogelon Mars and every other meme coin that's existent right now. And they said Dogelon Mars is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency. It is not a meme coin, but a real project with the stated mission of becoming the first interplanetary currency that can be used for paying for transport of settlers to Mars. The developers are also aiming to develop a trustworthy, community-based coin by encouraging the Dogelon Mars community to airdrop their Elon tokens to victims of crypto scams and other rug pulls. I can't say this any other way, guys. If this doesn't slap you right in the face and tells you, my man, this is not a meme coin, get with it. This is a real project, and we are currently investing into what the future is to be, guys. Because the signs are here. The partnerships are already created. The investments have already started to the ISS. This is now a infrastructure, and Dogelon Mars is part of it. That is what we need to understand. This is why when we are investing actively into Dogelon Mars, we need to understand that our future is slowly but surely being set up. Because the people that are buying coins now, the people that are investing into this technology now, the people that are investing into this narrative now, in 5 to 10 years, guys, I'll tell you right now, I'm sitting at 9 billion coins. With a B, and I'm planning on being in the 50 to 100 billion range by the end of 2021. If our predictions are correct, I will be a multimillionaire in the next 3 to 5 years, and that should be your aim as well. Let's move on. Another source, Cointelegraph.com, Elon Musk named meme token Dogelon Mars gains nearly 4,000% in October. Moving on. Crowdwisdom.live. They made a prediction, they made an analysis, and based on investing.com, the S3 is at 50101 and R1 is at 50233. These are pivot points. These are potential retracement levels, but the recommendation is buy. And the last article that I want to share with you guys is this one from ambcrypto.com. Dogecoin Shiba Inu move over for yet another dog-themed coin, Dogelon Mars. Guys, with the attention that we're getting, with the innovation that's happening, with all of the expansion into the NFT, DeFi, and now with the staking ability of being able to earn passive income by just holding Dogelon Mars, this is going to be something bigger than anyone could ever predict at this current juncture. So guys, this is pretty much everything that I have on this. Let's jump right in here because this is absolutely crazy. These levels were marked off. We didn't see, at least on the daily channel, we didn't see any retracement levels. But if we go down just a little bit to maybe the hourly, we could see how these bearish Fibonacci levels gave us a good indication of what price felt comfortable doing, because when we got up to this 38% retracement level, we had some resistance below it, but once we blew above it, this 38, and normally guys, prehistorically, the 38 level isn't a very strong level, right? So it normally does get blown through, and that's exactly what we saw here, right? We saw this level get blown through, and we didn't even consider this middle range right here. We just went straight to that 50% retracement level, almost reaching the 61.8. We came right back down, and look at this zone. If you go back to my original video, these zones were already marked up. I haven't touched them, I haven't moved them, I haven't adjusted them whatsoever. So this came right back down to the 128. It created a doji and just started exploding to the upside. Once it broke out of this zone right here, it was game over. That's it. We went up, we broke this high, we came right back down, retested the zone, and we blew off. We absolutely blew off. These are the 70 levels, the 80 levels. We just absolutely flew off and almost made it. This red line up here, guys, this is the all-time high. 245. We absolutely crushed that level just a few hours ago. But on this first run, we tried to get there, we couldn't get there, right? I'm pretty sure some people were selling off, securing that bag. They were happy with their investment, especially the people that bought down from the bottom, and price dipped. But man, this dip was eating so fast, it's not even funny. We dipped about 30%. That's a very healthy dip in the crypto market. Let me tell you guys, that's a very healthy dip. We dipped 30%, reaccumulated, got the liquidity that was necessary to go up, and we went up. Congratulations to all the Martians listening right now, people holding Dogelon Mars. And for the people that are not holding Dogelon Mars, don't worry, because you're still in time. You're still early. Guys, if this is a project that's going to be a part of the future's infrastructure, you are still early. So congratulations, guys, because we just got a confirmation. This truly is a confirmation that this coin has enough value to go higher, has a community that's standing behind it, supporting it to go higher. And for the people that got down here, sheesh, we are doing good. We are doing good, right? We are 4xing, 5xing our wallets right now. But for the people that are getting up here, once price goes up 5x, 10x, sheesh, thank God you got in up here. So that's pretty much it, guys. But nonetheless, always watch market structure because you want to have smart entries. Okay, so Shiba Inu. In the first video, I broke it down and I told you guys, price broke out. It came right back down. It retested the 6572. That was within the range that I gave you guys. And it shot right back up. Now, once we got here, we started a small sell-off. And that small sell-off has led us to this trend line, right? The one that I originally drew. So this is, I mean, I can't tell the future, guys, but this is just market structure, right? This is just price action, market structure, and the knowledge that I have with the last 4 to 5 years of trading the Forex market, metals, and now over the last 1 to 2 years, cryptos. So once we came down here and we started retesting it, now we're creating some sort of consolidation. And if you want to look at it this way, we're creating a double bottom, right, which tends to be a bullish sign. So what am I looking for here? If we come up and we break this zone right here, which created, right, resistance, support, 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 and then we just broke through, created resistance. Now if we break above it again and we come down to it and we start consolidating here, there's a chance that we could start skyrocketing from here. Right, so that is the only way that it makes sense for me from an investment standpoint to buy in. But right now, where it's at, this is really a no man's land because it could either push up, break the zone, come right back, consolidate, and then start pushing higher, or it could come down, dip, right, break this ascending structure. That's the number one sign. Then it comes right back, retest it. Then it comes right down here and it starts breaking these levels, right? That's the second sign. Once it starts retesting this level and it can't break up any further, now I have a really good idea, right? Or at least I can say that price right now, even though we want it to, it can't go higher, meaning that it has to go lower. So that's the only way that I'll kind of play it slower on my end because I still haven't bought in, right? I still haven't bought in. I'm trying to see what price is going to do because, again, if it breaks here, consolidates, I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy right here, and it's going to potentially move up onwards if this all plays out. But if it goes lower, I have to wait to see how it interacts with this level, right? 5671 to 5238, and if it tends to break a little lower, I need to see it hit that original trend line that I spoke about in the first video. So guys, that pretty much does it. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope everyone's happy with their investment right now. Congratulations again to everyone that bought in early. And If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. If you want me to, do a technical analysis breakdown on any other pair, please let me know, and I'll happily do so. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you want some more of this type of content, give me a thumbs down. If you didn't, let me know why, and we could always work on the approach or the content or how we're doing it or how long we're doing it for. So appreciate you guys. See you at the top, from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. Until next time, let's get this crypto.